I honestly don't. So I can just tell you all straight up. I got cooked today.
Welcome back to another video. It's Thursday, the 6th of November, and it's actually 20 minutes to 3, but I haven't taken any trades today. This marking that you see in there on the charts is actually a missed trade, and I wasn't planning on shooting a video today, to be honest, because I wasn't finding any opportunities until later when I missed this trade. I marked it up, but I didn't enter it because yesterday I also missed a trade, but it would have been a loss. And not taking that loss yesterday, I believe, cost me the win today. So it would be something like this. And I would have been down 80 pips for the week if I took the trade yesterday. But then I would also have the confidence to take the trade today because I was at the charts. I just did not execute, which is entirely my fault, to be honest. And today I would have been up, that's 130 pips. So I'd still be overall positive, net positive for the week, given the fact that I placed 2 trades on Tuesday. One was a small win, which I closed out in less profit than I was aiming for, price reverse before going to the take profit. And the other one was a higher entry that I eventually lost. So on Tuesday, that was 1 win for 60 pips and 1 loss for 70, ending the day with negative 10. Then yesterday would have been another negative 70, but today would have been that positive 210. And now price looks like it wants to reverse from that area. But I won't be taking a trade because it doesn't fit my criteria. This one this morning fit my criteria. Almost hit stop loss, to be honest. It was quite a bit of drawdown, but nevertheless, price went in our direction. Like I said, I wasn't planning on shooting a video today because I thought I wouldn't be finding any trades because of this impulsive bearish price action. But I need to reevaluate what would be a trading day for me and what would not be a trading day for me, because when I'm back testing, I am able to see immediately what would be and what would not be a trading day because I'm just looking at the close of the candles. But while these candlesticks are farming and while price action is still, playing out, I need to still be able to be active at the charts looking for a trade because it's possible, especially once we take liquidity on the hourly. And I was not anticipating price to reverse and close in there and keep going up, even if it's just for a short term, and then we'll have more bearish price action. It still fits my criteria and I need to accept it. Like yesterday, this fit my criteria. We had liquidity sweep, then a bearish candle closed back inside our zone. Basically the same thing as today, but price went down a little in my favor and still shot up. That will happen. I will have losses, but if I miss these losses and I miss the wins, then that will affect my P&L. So far for the account, it's still at 50% win rate, still 2 losses. It's saying 4 trades somehow, 2 buys, 0 sells. Okay, so it's 2 trades, but it was saying 4 on the outside. Balance still at $75. The 2 trades amounted in about a couple cents loss or so, but it still was a loss. Profit factor or win rate 50%, profit factor 0. Let me go back into that. So win rate 50%, profit factor 0.74. I don't really understand profit factor, to be honest. So I think it's something to do with the amount for how much you risk, that's how much you make or something. Not sure how that works. But yeah, here we can see the metrics. The deposit, $66 still. The current equity, current balance, highest balance since we had that loss. Average win versus average loss, profit factor, the overall profit factor. But yeah, so far profit is at 9, and this is the equity curve, I guess, or this is the profit curve. This would be the equity curve. Losses must happen. All right, so that's just an update on how it's going. Really sucks to miss trades like that, and I hope the data being presented live could also help somebody not miss the trades, because take the trade even if you think it's might be a loss. As long as you manage your risk correctly, then the losses cannot possibly have a negative effect on your net performance. I promise you that. As long as it's a trade within your strategy, it's in your system, and you're risking within your parameters of risk, then trust me, it cannot possibly negatively affect your net profit performance, your net performance. Anyways, that's it for now. Tomorrow I'm going to come in and check in with you. It's going to be the last day of the week, and going to be providing a full trade breakdown as per usual, and hopefully we get to end the week off with a banger. I ain't expecting anything though, but because 10 pips negative is still better than negative 80 if I do end up finding a trade tomorrow and it's not within my parameters or I rush something. So as long as it fits, we're going to take that. No, pause. Hold up. As long as it fits my trading criteria, we're going to place that trade.
Lost in space, lost in space. Lost in space, lost in space. Floating through the void, bills got me weightless. Out here in the dark, ain't no saving or saving this. Stars in my eyes, but they're really just the zennies. Money counting up, but I'm empty like the galaxies. Lost in space, where the fuck I'm at? Gravity can't hold me down, I'm never coming back. Lost in space, searching for my lane. Out here by myself, Novocaine in my veins. Lost in orbit, can't nobody reach me now. Lost in orbit, floating through this life, I'm out.
I honestly know what to say. So I can just tell you straight up, I got cooked today. Like, I fucked up. I was not home, so I'm gonna tell you plain and straight, I placed 5 trades today, which was 2 trades above my maximum um allowed trades per day. I can't remember the last time I messed up this bad, to be honest. Like, everything just been going so calm, so smooth. But I guess these days I can't escape them, days where my emotions can get the best of me. I still manage to risk pretty well, I would say. I took 5 trades, but I lost a total of 15%. 15%. That's the entirety of what I gained of last week. So, yeah, the account is now down from, well, you can see there on the screen, it's down from $66 to $55. And you can see that slope that we have there all today, trade after trade after trade after trade. It was pretty constant because I kept the risk managed. So even on days where I go on tilt, it's not, too steep of a tilt, thankfully. But yeah, this definitely messing up the equity curve and everything. Average win versus average loss is still the same, which is great. That's very, very important. My win rate should take a toll right there. Is how far you can find the win rate? Oh, win rate 20%. That's crazy. Profit factor 0.63. I don't think that's good either. But I know for sure I'm gonna bounce back from this. But being as transparent as possible, I got cooked today. I was looking for the market to be bullish. Let me go over to the chart. I ain't gonna do no full trade breakdown or anything, but that's the general idea of what I was looking for. I saw this price action here at 7 a.m., which I thought was 8. So when I thought this 8 a.m. candle was 9 a.m., so I thought that this was the close, the sweep on liquidity, and then we're closing bullish. So I took 50% of this candle to then see the actual 9 o'clock candle just come and reel it. Then I saw this candle was closing bullish, so I re-entered, not actually following my rules on the hourly. I just re-entered because this candle was looking bullish. It closed still bullish in a sense, with a bearish body, but a large wick to the downside. That's kind of bullish, but I would prefer a large wick to the downside and a small bullish body at an area of liquidity to the downside. So I didn't get all of that, and I lost. I re-entered even lower, got cooked. When I finally switched my bias for a sell, I also got cooked. But yeah, it happens. As long as your risk is okay, because realistically, still risking 5% of the new balance, which would be like what, $2.50 or something. With 2 trades, I'll be back to where I was. Actually, I'll be more positive than where I was with just 2 trades, with 2 winning trades. So it's not really anything to feel bad about or so. But if I didn't manage the risk correct, oh boy, account could be gone by now. So I just hope that goes to show somebody something. But anyways, it's Friday, it's nighttime. I decided to open the camera at night because I think the lighting is be better rather than the daytime light where I can't get for control going on with the windows and everything. But hey, if you rock with this nighttime content, let me know. I'm gonna start doing it at nighttime. It's a little bit better for me to do at night, to be honest. But supposed to get live there with the group and chill out, talk about the charts this week, how some of we got cooked and some of we cooked the charts. So, anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna dry it out as usual, and I'm going to open the camera this weekend and see if I could provide like a breakdown for the trades that we took this week. Why I took some losses, why I might have caught a win, how I missed trades, and all these different things. So, to try to prevent it from happening going forward. So if that can be something interesting to you, then look forward to this weekend's video that should drop on Sunday or Monday morning, the latest. I'm trying to do it on the weekend so we can have maybe a new week outlook as well. So I'll break down this previous week and have an outlook on the type of price action I'm kind of expecting for the, or not expecting, but I would like to see for the coming week for US 30, just that one pair. So until then, please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.